guys, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Alicia. I am finally giving you guys my what I eat in a day. This video is in partnership with WW. Okay, so first up is breakfast. It seems like a lot of steps, right? But I normally like to make this at night and just have it sitting in the refrigerator and then warm it up the next day. However, I ran out of oats last night, so I had to go by Publix this morning to get them. So I'll make sure I'll put the recipe in the description box, and then however the number of points. All right, first things first, we're starting off with a half a cup of the silk almond milk. I get it unsweetened and vanilla, and yes, I like to put my oatmeal in first. I meant my milk first. Is that weird? And then we're gonna go with oats. I just use the quick 1 minute oats from Quaker. It's easier for me. If I am doing it overnight, I might do like the old fashioned, but to me, the Quaker, the 1 minute, they still work just fine. So we're doing a half a cup of those. And I like to do a 1-to-1 ratio. Most people probably put a little bit more milk in it. I don't like my oatmeal like soupy, so I just do a 1-for-1 ratio. This is pure vanilla extract. We're going in with a teaspoon of that. Next up, we have a little bit of sugar for a little bit more sweetness. So I actually use the Splenda brown sugar. I like to use brown sugar over regular sugar just because I think it's more, I feel like it has more flavor, like less, like you don't have to use as much to get as much flavor in. So we're gonna go with a teaspoon of that. All right, so the last ingredient, which is probably a little bit weird, but don't knock it until you try it. I'm doing unsweetened cocoa. It just gives it just a little bit, it's good. And I'm only going to do a half a teaspoon on this because like I said, a little goes a long way, and probably not even a whole teaspoon. So we are going to stir that up, and I probably rotate between this and a smoothie. So if I do this one day, then tomorrow I'll have a little smoothie for breakfast. Okay. So this is what the oats look like, and they're gonna go into the microwave for 1 minute and 30 seconds. All right, while those are going, we are going to cut up and clean our fruit. I've got some blueberries. There's really no rhyme or reason. I just take a handful, put them in there. There's 0 points. So I will legit put a handful of blueberries in the bowl. And then I'm also doing strawberries today. So I like to cut mine up. I like to cut them twice, like slice them and then slice them horizontally. Is that it? Yeah, so vertically and then horizontally, because it creates like these little chunks. I really don't like the thick slices because you can't get like, I like to have a little bit of oatmeal, a little bit of blueberry, and then a little bit of strawberry in like, for like every bite. So I make sure that the strawberries are like nice and cut up. Okay, so I've cut up the strawberries. They're also 0 points. One thing I do like about, for me, the 0 points is that it entices me to eat more fruits and vegetables, because on my program, most of those are 0 points. And that's really why I started the program. I'm gonna put this stuff up while I'm waiting. That's the main reason why I started this program, was to like help me make better decisions. I was on the program when I graduated college because, I mean, who really ate right in college? I know I didn't. So as a result, you know, when you don't eat right, weight kind of packs on, right? So instead of like freshman 15, I had like freshman 15, sophomore 10, junior 10. I had some weight. And so it was about me making healthier decisions. And so when I started the program, it helped me make better decisions, and as a result I lost about 30 to 35 pounds. And so that's kind of the situation, not really the situation I'm in now. I don't really need to lose 35 pounds, but I found myself not making the best healthy decisions, especially with like COVID and everything going on. So I knew that this was something that I kind of wanted to get back on, to kind of like restart my healthy decision making lifestyle. So we have cut up blueberries, we have cut up strawberries, we have blueberries. We're going to wash it in this Trader Joe's fruit and vegetable. Just do a couple of drops here, and then you shake it and then you rinse it. It's the best fruit and vegetable washer. If you've never tried it before, try it. If you don't have a Trader Joe's by you, I'm sorry, I mean, we only have one that stays busy, but it's so good.
All right, so guys, this is the final result. Like I said, guys, this definitely fills me up. This entire oatmeal for me is only 5 points, and it's definitely hearty, definitely filling, and I find myself not having to snack throughout the day. I also make myself an iced coffee. I like to use the Starbucks Blonde Roast, that is 0 points, and then I like to top it off with a little bit of the Coffee Mate French vanilla creamer. The sugar-free ensures that I can get 3 whole tablespoons of the creamer for only 1 point. So my entire breakfast, 6 points. Win, win, win.
Okay, so took a little break. I had to put some makeup on because, like I said, we have to go shoot some things later today. It's 2 o'clock, so I normally eat lunch around like 1 because it normally keeps me, like, my breakfast normally keeps me full, so I'm just about an hour late. It's fine. Like I said, for lunch I got the pasta. I think husband gave me his portion instead of my portion because it's a lot of pasta, so I probably won't eat all of this, but this is that.
So one of my favorite features of the WW app is if you scroll all the way down, you click on what's called recipes, and then my favorite function is the what's in your fridge. So basically, you click on different ingredients that you have in your fridge or in the counter and your cabinets, and it gives you all the different recipes that you can make with those ingredients. So you're still able to keep track of your SmartPoints and not have to go to the store anytime you might need something to make a recipe.
That is my lunch. I was doing good on my water intake, but I have not drunk a single bit of water since the last time I talked to you guys. So I have like 6 hours to down this and then also refill it again. So yeah, that is that's my lunch, and then my snack. And that should last me over. I will probably, we fix tacos later in the afternoon, only because we like to watch like our shows that come on, and so I probably won't even start making the tacos until 7:30. So because this is at 2 o'clock, this will probably last me. I probably want to grab a snack around like 5:30. So I'll show you guys what snack. I'm still stuck on which one because the 2 that I have like from Fiber One, they're so good, and I'm just like so I'll probably grab a snack around 5:30, yeah, when we get back, because we're supposed to leave at like 4 to shoot content.
Okay, last interruption, guys. My next favorite one is definitely the one that has the restaurant function. So it's still in the same area where the recipes are, but I am a sucker for grabbing a quick snack while I'm out, and I love that this has basically every restaurant you can think of, including my favorite, Chick-fil-A. So I can go through the list, see what all fits under my points for the day, and I'm still able to grab a nice healthy snack to time me over while we're shooting content without having to worry about not being able to track my SmartPoints.
We'll go shoot content, get back, don't cut off on me, get back, I'll do a snack, and then I won't cook tacos until 7:30. But I'm definitely going to show you guys that recipe because I have found the perfect tortillas that still give me like all of the same flavor, but it's only 2 points per 2 tortillas, so 1 tortilla per point. And they kind of like show you guys how I try to incorporate as many like veggies as possible in the tacos. So all right, we are on location. We're gonna shoot 3. Looks really quick. I know this has nothing to do with like what I eat in a day, but just kind of want to give you guys like the behind the scenes. So that's photographer, aka hubby. I don't know why he's like full monochromed out. So let's shoot some content, shall we?
I have on sweatpants.
Yeah, but just like full monochrome. What is that about? Gosh.
Do you want these pictures?
Yes, I'm so sorry. I'm gonna get right there. this is the earliest I have ever made tacos. We finished shooting and then went to Walmart, and then apparently I forgot husband had a meeting later, so I'm actually going to go ahead and cook the tacos now. It's not even 6 o'clock, it's 5:50. So I'm going to go ahead and cook them now. That way he can scarf them down before he has to leave at, I think he has to leave at like 6:45. So let me show you. Husband did a good job like plating everything out, or like pulling everything out of the counter. I guess that lets me know he's like ready. He's like, here, hurry up and cook it. So I'm gonna show you guys what I'm using really quick. Okay, so for the meat, I went with ground turkey, 93% lean, 7% fat. This is only one point for 4 ounces, so that's really good. This is what I mean. I like to get a little bit of veggies in, so I will actually put this in with my meat. I'll let my meat cook until it's about almost done, and then I'll put these in. And we like things spicy, so I went with the hot. And then not a lot, but I'll probably put about a tablespoon or so in there with the meat, just to kind of give it a little creamy feeling. As far as the tortillas, these are the ones I was talking about. These are the Mission Carb Balance. You can get them, I actually get them at my local Publix. They also have them at Kroger. So like I said, they're Carb Balance. Let's see here. So it's only 45 calories for one, and then it's 3 net carbs per tortilla. So this works out to about 1 point per tortilla, and I normally do about 2. And then over here is just your normal taco. That's husband's. He can't decide if he's gonna go with the blue corn, the big flour tortilla, or he gets the standard stuff. That's his. Let's slide his to the side. Lettuce, of course, nothing special. We've got lettuce, we've got tomatoes. I'm gonna put a little bit of, I've got sharp cheddar, and then I've got this Mexican style. I think I'm gonna go with this. And then I like to go with your basic hot sauce. We got this one from Trader Joe's, and my husband kind of likes to do those two. I don't really like either one of those two, so let's just slide that over with his stuff. This is gonna be mine. And then because I didn't get a chance to snack today, I might maybe snack on an apple a little later, but I'm going to have some tortillas and queso. So this is dinner all lined up. Let's get to cooking. I've got it on like 5 or 6, so like medium to high. Just gonna let some of those juices evaporate. Not a lot, because instead of putting in, like this says to put in water, I actually like to use the juices left over from the Rotel mix. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that in there, and then put a little bit of, like I said, this queso blanco to kind of give it a little creamy texture. So guys, this is the Taco Tuesday night for me. Really quick, I've got the ground turkey. I put a little bit of, I did a spring mix instead of the regular lettuce. Of course, I've got cheese, light sour cream, and then some hot sauce. And then I pre-portioned out. I love to get these little cute bowls. I think I got this from World Market. It's a good way to show the proper portion control. And then of course the bowl is super cute. And then I went ahead and portioned out my thing of queso. And I was feeling like a little something sweet to drink, but didn't want to like consume a soda. So I got these cute little AHA sparkling waters. They're actually really, really good. Of course, no carbs, no sugars, 0 calories, and this is 0 points. So this is dinner.
All right, so I hope you guys have enjoyed this what I eat in a day. Like I said, I am going to put the recipe of everything that I ate below, as well as what my WW points equate to. For those, I don't know if I told you before, I am on the blue plan. So what happens is that you go online, you take a personal assessment, and then based on your fitness and health goals, it gives you whatever plan you are in. So I'm in the blue plan that gives me 30 points. So I will, like I said, let you guys know the recipe and then all of the points that I used for the day. This will be the first of many, only because I do get a lot of questions about, you know, what I eat in a day, my workouts and all that kind of stuff. So this will be the first of many, but just wanted to go on here and show you guys like what I've been working with and all that kind of stuff. I know with 2020, we've had a tendency to kind of like get off track. And that's really why I started the WW program again, was to kind of like get me back on the healthy food and lifestyle choices that I had done before. So love this. Like I said, I'll link it below. If you are interested in signing up for the new improved WW program, I will link that link below so you can check that out. Also, don't forget to check out all my other videos while you're there. Like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm going to catch you guys a little later. Bye.